स्वागतं 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 स्वागतं
Everyone something better do something. Now rock everyone, welcome to Rock. Now beat the floor, move everyone, get the groove. Now dance everyone, rock the show. Now dance everyone.
I would like to introduce a strong team of faculty, the teachers who are highly experienced and well trained, fully enthusiastic and energetic, who are all set to start the new session. So let me call upon all the teachers who will introduce themselves quickly.
Time for a special moment as we invite Mr. Vamsi Reddy Garu onto the stage to introduce the new era school.
Starting from our esteemed principal ma'am, the in-charge teachers, and my dear parents. I've been part of the schools from the last 3 to 4 years. I look into the academic part of the 6th to 12th of New Era and software part of New Era as well. సో మెయిన్గా న్యూ ఇయర్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే అండి, ఆల్రెడీ మీరు వీడియో చూశారు. వీఆర్ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ 30 years ఇంటూ ద సేమ్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సెక్టర్. నా 22 years ఆఫ్ మై లైఫ్ కూడా ఇన్ న్యూ ఇయర్ అనే ఫ్రమ్ నర్సరీ టు 10th క్లాసే. సో మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలి అంటే మా స్ట్రెంగ్త్ వచ్చేసి మెయిన్లీ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్. The teachers who taught me LKG, 2nd class, 4th class, and if I can remember 8th and 10th class main teachers goda are still with us. My LKG teacher is still with New Era. So lot of our teachers are more than 5 to 10 years experience. That is because we are all like a family. We are all like a family, and we teach our we with our parents we are like a family as well. అందుకని ఆల్ ద ప్లాన్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ స్కూల్ ఇన్ కాకినాడ యాజ్ వెల్ విల్ బి ప్లాన్డ్ ఫుల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ ది మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ హైదరాబాద్. సో ఆల్ అవర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యూస్ఫుల్ అగైన్ ఇన్ కాకినాడ. అండ్ విత్ దిస్ కాకినాడ బ్రాంచ్ మెయిన్లీ ఎప్పటి నుంచో మేము ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళేమైనా తెలంగాణలో ఉండడం వల్ల ఇక్కడ ఒక బ్రాంచ్ పెట్టాలని ఒక ఆశ కూడా మాకు నెరవేరుతుంది అనమాట. సో వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు కమ్ ఇన్ టు కాకినాడ. ఇట్స్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ ష్యూర్లీ వీ విల్ పుట్ అవర్ మార్క్. And mainly our New Era is meant for 3 things, that is education, discipline and handwriting. These 3 are our roots and we will stand on our roots. Thank you so much for bearing with me, and I will introduce our esteemed principal ma'am, Sonu Bali ma'am, and she will take over. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Vamsi sir. A very warm and hearty welcome to all of you present here. It's pleasure to see so many parents in front of us. Hello. Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank the God Almighty, my parents and the management, Venugopal sir, Suresh sir, Aparna ma'am and Vamsi sir, for giving me this opportunity to do the role of principal. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sonu Bali, and I've been in this field of education for last 30 years. I started my journey in 1995 from Mumbai, did my schooling, my master's in science, master in education, and did training in counseling, guidance and counseling. After that, being a background of defense, getting married to an Air Force officer, I got an opportunity to work in a lot of reputed schools all over India, right from Assam, from Ladakh, to Coimbatore, to North India, Delhi, Shimla, Gujarat, Jamnagar, and right now I'm in Kakinada. And thanks to the management for giving me opportunity to do something for the children of Kakinada. And we are all committed to take the legacy of New Era School forward. We believe in the holistic education. We believe that along with and for emotional building, we have a lot of activities being planned. So we want a child who is developed in all aspects. And we are going to provide a very safe environment, congenial environment, a happy environment for all the children. And we would like to take suggestions, ideas from you from time to time, from feedback. We are going to solicit all the suggestions.
We now present a wonderful performance before you by our kindergarten kids.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि देवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
It was a wonderful performance.
picture of our annual day, which is done. Hello? Yeah. We are going to play. Please watch it and please witness the efforts have done. Our students and teachers' efforts have done to do that annual day. Please watch it. Thank you.
I would like to introduce a strong team of faculty, the teachers who are highly experienced and well trained, fully enthusiastic and energetic, who are all set to start the new session. So let me call upon all the teachers who will introduce themselves with me.
Time, precious time for the children, because it makes memory. You don't know how it has lasting impact on the children. So I am sure that we'll be taking part in all of their events in future, and I would like to thank management, Director Sir, Venugopal Sir, and Ramsey Sir, Aparna Ma'am, Suresh Sir for guiding us. And I would also like, last but not the least, in fact the most important, all the activity teachers, B. Satyanarayan Sir and Bhagwan Sir and Anisha Ma'am and Kansiram Sir for training the children for the summer camp. It was their hard work and tireless effort which has made the event successful. A big round of applause for all the activity teachers. Thank you, sir.